Hi guys, today I'm going to demonstrate to you the trigonometric function, trigonometric identities, law of sine, law of cosine, and Heron's formula. Let's go! Trigonometric function. The study of trigonometry, which means triangle measurements, began more than 2,000 years ago partially as a means of solving surveying problems. Early trigonometry used the length of a line segment between 2 points of a circle as the value of a trigonometric function. In the 16th century, right triangles were used to define a trigonometric function. In trigonometric function, there are six ratios can be formed by using two lengths of the three sides of a right triangle. Each ratio defines a value of a trigonometric function of a given acute angle. The functions are sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. Example, find the six trigonometric function of theta for the triangle given below. I drew a triangle. Sorry for that drawing. A is equals 15, B is 8, then we find the value of C. I have here a solution. I transfer another bond paper to solve the solution, so I draw again. I'm sorry for my drawing. C squared equals E squared plus B squared is our formula. A squared is equivalent to 15 because our A here is 15. The value of B is 8, so that could be 8 squared. 15 squared is 2 to 5 plus 8 squared is 64. So 2 to 5 plus 64 is equals 289. We square it this 289 and c squared to cancel the squared, so that the square of the 89 is 17. So the answer is C equals 17. Now I will write the six trigonometric function, the sine, cosine, and tangent, then the reciprocal of sine, cosine, and tangent. Sine is equals 15 over 17, then the reciprocal of sine is cosecant, which is 17 over 15. Cosine is equals 8 over 17. Reciprocal of cosine is secant. It is 17 over 8. Tangent is equals to 15 over 8. The reciprocal of tangent is cotangent. It is 8 over 15. For example, cos equals 8 over 17. Let's say the angle of theta is 3 pi over 2. Pi. So we have here the equation sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1.
Sine squared plus equivalent of cosine is 8 over 17 squared equals 1. Sine squared plus 8 squared is 64, then 17 squared is 289 times 289 over 289. That would be sine squared equals we subtract this to sine, I mean 64 minus 289 is 225, then copy the denominator, 289. Square root of sine squared and square root of 225 over 289 to cancel out the squared. So that would be sine equals plus minus 15 over 17. 15 is the square root of 225, then 17 square root of 289. So sine equals 15 over 17. Since 3 pi over 2 is equivalent to 270 and 2 pi is 360, and this belongs to quadrant 4. So our answer is sine equals negative 15 over 17.
Solving a triangle involves finding the lengths of all sides and the measure of all angles in the triangle. In this section and the next, we develop formulas solving an oblique triangle, which is a triangle that does not contain a right angle. If angle A, B, and C are the measure of the angles of a triangle and side A, B, C are the lengths of the side opposite those angles, then side A over sine A equals side B over sine B equals side C over sine C. Example, solve triangle A, B, and C if A equals 46 degree, B is equals 72 degree, and side C is equal to 16 centimeter. We have here a solution. Remember that A plus B plus C equals 180 degrees. Substitute the value of A and B, then we can get the value of C. Now we will get the side B. So the formula we use, side C over sine C equals side B over sine B. So 16 over sine 118 degrees equals B over sine 72 degrees. We cross multiply this, so we get 16 sine 72 degrees over B sine 118 degrees. So our cancel out the sine, so we have B equals 9.76. That is our value of side B. So now last we get the side A. So still formula we use the side C over sine C
equals side A over sine A. So 16 over sine 118 degrees equals A over sine 46 degrees. Same process, cross multiply. So we have 16 sine 46 degrees over sine 180 degrees A. So crush out the sine, so we get A equals 6.24 centimeter. So that's for law of sine.
Law of cosine. If angle A and B and C are the measure of the angles of a triangle, and side A, B, and C are the length of the sides opposite this angle, then C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C. A squared minus B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. B squared equals A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cos B. Use the law of cosine first to find B and then to find A. B squared equals A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cos B. Formula. Substitute. Then square root of 3.3 squared plus 2 squared minus 2 times 3.3 times 2 cos 120 degrees. The answer is B equals 4.64 miles. For angle A, same process, substitute, then we get the answer A equals 37.93. Example, find the two significant digits, the area of the triangle with A equals 8.0 meters, B 18 meters, and C 15 meters. Solution. Calculate the semi-perimeter. Formula S equals A plus B plus C over 2. Substitute 8 plus 18 plus 15 over 2 equals 20.50 or 20.5 rather. After getting the value of semi-perimeter, use Heron's formula, which is P equals square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Substitute, then square root of 20.5 times 20.5 times minus 8 times 20.5 minus 18 times 20.5 minus 15 is equals to K equals 59.36. That is the value of K 59.36. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy and you have learned something from my video. I hope
you enjoy. Bye!